So this question is divide a string into groups of size k. So I mean, you can read over it, but I'm going to summarize in my own word. So here we go. So this is the string s. It contains the multiple character in the string, and the size, the maximum size for each group is k size. So k can be represented any integer. And so if you have 4 characters in a string, you're going to group these things into one, and you have the remaining character for A, right? So if you have remaining character for A and does not match with the K, the size of K, I mean the length of K for the string, you need to fill with the remaining char in the string. So you will say AXS. So this is how you do the appending. Yeah. So one more things we need to talk about is how do we traverse. I'm going to traverse the string, so I'm going to using a for loop, and then my the iteration. So my iteration was starting from 0 and all the way to the last, the last character in the string. And then my step is going to be say I plus equal to k, because I will substring these things every single time when I iterate it, right? And then I will append to the string builder, add into the list, and this will be the solution. So let me write it down. Right, so I'm going to add into the list of string. I'm going to call result. So just before I do any the logic here, I need to convert back to the string array, right? So result to array, and then what is the type? String type, right? And then here. So what does this mean? I convert the list of string to the array, and this is a type, but I need to create a new one in the new instance. So this will be the type string array. All right, it's not pretty, it's pretty important, but it's not that necessary to do this. So I'm going to start in from 0, and I listen the string.length, right? And then I plus equal k. All right. So I'm going to get my length for the current string. So it should be k. I mean, unless is less than the remaining char is less than k. So I'm going to make sure I have it. So I'm going to say substring. Where do I start it? I started for I. Where do I end it? I end it at I plus k, right? But sometimes you like, if you substring more than what you have for string s, you will get an error. So what you need to do is you want to find out the minimum between I plus k or the length. Like this is the minimum required, and then later on this is a substring, right? You want to just say okay, length. Like you want to convert this to the int, right? So I'm gonna say if length is less than equal to k, and then else if length is less than k, right? So you only have 2 conditions, so using if else it will be okay. So if length equal to k, you get a string and I into the list, right? So s plus substring. So I'm going to say I plus k. So why do I have I plus k over here? This is because I know that I have enough character or enough the enough space. I'm saying enough space for the string because it's actually equal to k, right? And in this solution, in the else solution, I'm going to say okay, this might be the reason why we don't have enough character for the string, because else if length is less than k, then we need to create a string builder, sd new string builder. This is because we need to fill the chart for the list, right? So I'm gonna say flow in. So since I'm using I already, I'm using J. So J will become yeah, I haven't added the string. So I'm gonna just add what I have for the string. So it's gonna be what s dot substring from I to I plus length, right? So it will be better to say, okay, remaining s dot substring from I to length. Like this should be, you know, a string, like should be like a J only, right? So I can actually put this over here, so you don't write too many lines. It should be I plus length, right? So now I need to fill. So I need to fill my string builder. So it's going to start from what? Start from index 1, right? So we're not going to start from index 0 because index 0 is already has been used, right? So you want to start from is, you know, in J equal to sb dot length, and it should be like quotation, right? Oh, sorry, it should be like a parenthesis, and then J last length K, and then J plus plus. So what you need to do is s dot append the fill. Afterward, you just say result dot add sb dot toString. So yeah, straightforward. Yeah, typo. Submit. Okay. So yeah, this solution is a little bit straightforward. But let's talk about time and space. Space is this guy. This is going to be all of what? You know, the size for each substring is size k, right? And I mean, what you have is going to be, you know, contain all of the string plus fill, right? So I would say that, you know, all of n is enough. You know, all of n is enough for the list, which is space, right? All right, let's talk about time. This is all of n, all right, definitely. And even though you jump, you know, k step each time, like let's consider this as all of n because n divided by k is still going to be all of n, right? And then you substring this, so there is all of k, right? You substring from I to I plus k, so it's going to be all of n, all of k, and this is still less than all of k. This is going to be less than all of k for sure. So all of nk, that will be the time. And then later on you convert the list string to string array. So it's all of n. So yeah, time is all of nk, and space is all of n. So this will be the solution. So if you have question, leave a comment. I'll see you later. Bye.